Hi everyone, I'm doing an unboxing video and I've wizened up, I've blackened out my address. I've made that mistake before. This is a adult trio of Urodacus Elongatus, so scorpions. Got two females and a male, and I asked the sender to try to breed them before he sent them. Not sure if you can see or not, there's one. There's another one just in there. And the final one in here. Might just quickly open this up so you can have a look. There we are. Nice size, these ones. So there we go. So I'll set them up and I'll do a video for that shortly.